Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learn with Sagar. In this video, I am going to tell you idioms and phrases for all competitive exams. So let us start. This is part 1. First one, dog eat dog. Said about a world where people do anything to be successful. For example, it's disheartening to know that we are living in a dog eat dog world. Second, dogs are barking. This means that your feet are hurting. For example, my dogs are barking because I walked 10 miles. Third, drink like a fish. To drink alcohol excessively. For example, my friend drank like a fish at yesterday's party. Fourth, every dog has its day. Means everyone gets a chance eventually. For example, don't worry, you will get chosen for the team. Every dog has its day. Next one, fight like a cat and dog. To argue and fight violently. For example, at assembly meeting, political leaders fight like a cat and dog. Next, have bigger fish to fry. To have more important things to do. For example, maybe I will not be available for your wedding. Tomorrow I have a bigger fish to fry. Next, help a lame dog over a child. Said about someone who helps people who are in difficulty or trouble. For example, my friend is very kind of me. He helps a lame dog over a child. Next, horse of a different color. A situation or a subject that is different from what you had first thought it was. Example, 10th class results shocked students all over the state because they never expected such kind of correction. It's horse of a different color. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.